A former KPMG partner is charged with insider trading. This is what's news on WSJ Live. I'm Joanne Po. Federal prosecutors filing criminal charges against Scott London, the former KPMG partner who has admitted to passing on inside information about his clients, Herbalife, Skechers, Deckers Outdoor Corporation, RSC Holdings, and Pacific Capital Bancorp. Mr. London is charged with one count of conspiracy to commit securities fraud through insider trading. According to the criminal complaint, trades based by inside tips by Mr. London generated more than $1 million for his friend Brian Shaw. Mr. London received cash and gifts in exchange for the information. He faces up to 5 years in prison. And Foursquare raises $41 million in debt financing. Some of that money can convert into equity, giving the mobile startup company more capital to help it grow while it nails down a business model. By raising debt instead of equity, Foursquare avoids the challenge of getting investors to place a value on the company, as well as avoiding the dilution of its management team's equity stakes. And the oldest dinosaur embryo fossils have been discovered in China. The rare trove of the fossil embryos reveal that these extinct creatures grew faster in the egg than any animal known. International researchers believe the 195-million-year-old remains belong to a long-necked, plant-eating dinosaur which grew as long as 30 feet and eventually evolved into one of the largest creatures to ever walk the earth. The discovery, reported in the Nature journal, gives scientists their best glimpse yet into how these prehistoric creatures developed. We'll keep you posted on all the latest news developments throughout the day and what's news on WSJ Live.